Well, folks, let's go check on the peas and the corn food plots, see what they look like. Come on, go with me. Over here checking on the corn. Amazing what some spray will do. what some water will do. Finally starting to grow since it got some rain on it. Now I just need to get some fertilizer on it. Let's go over and check out, see what the peas look like. Some peas starting to come up. Pretty decent stem. Got a good stand if we just keep getting some showers of rain on it. That here's looking pretty decent too. It's actually the best looking one of all of them. Like I said, we just need to keep getting those showers of rain. Over right here in this keel plot, it's looking a lot better since it rained on it. I actually got a little bit of fertilizer on this before the rain. It's kind of thin, but it'll take that. We even got pretty good germination in here. I didn't know if they grow in here or not. It don't get a lot of sun, but I actually got a pretty decent germination. I do know for a fact that if it don't keep raining, this in here will dry up, because this used to be an old logging site back when they logged the timber in here years ago. It's where they had a lot of sawdust in here. That's why I call it the sawdust pile. Anyway, looks like we had a big limb fall right here. I need to get that out of the way. Stand by. Now here's another field my nephew and my brother planted. Planted millet and buckwheat, and I think they planted some peas in here too, but they planted this about 3 weeks before I planted mine. They got a pretty decent stand. This is, according to my nephew, was planted for combination deer, doves, and honeybees. They raised my nephew. He's got a YouTube channel, Dyson Apiaries. Check him out. Him and my brother both, they raise bees and queens, and oh, check this out. One of those motorized hand gliders or whatever. Maybe he'll come over that tree where we can see him. I don't believe he's gonna be high enough. Anyway, like I said, they planted this buckwheat for their bees and millet. I think he's gonna try to dove hunt up here this fall. Of course, you always got deer. Got both sides here. A pretty decent stand of millet. Anyway, enough of that. Well, folks, let's go wrap up this little plot update. Checking on the peas and corn, and showing you around. It's amazing what a little bit of water will do. Hope we keep getting those showers along. It'll help out a lot. Anyway, like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave me a comment. And as always, hope everybody's had a great day. Hope everybody has a great week, and God bless. Remember to subscribe.